arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. We are going to start. Okay. So there is a sequence. Mathematics, everything is in sequence. So you remember, I have asked you a question. Let me see whether you remember. If it is like this, it is divided into square. Imagine all a square. How many squares are there in this?
5.
5.
Five. Then you, if you remember, I taught you the easiest method in this. Wait. Suppose if it is the square is like this. Now how many squares are there?
10.
10, ma'am.
14, ma'am.
14, ma'am.
14, ma'am.
14.
14. Then 4, if it is divided into 4, haha, it's not cooperating with me. 4, what is we have one formula, right? You remember I taught you one formula for this. Anybody remember? No need to sit and count, but there is a formula. You forgot. Who remembered? Tell me, others mute. See, this is, you said 5. This is, you said 14. This is how much? This is how much, children? This one? 26. There is a formula I taught you. Forgot. 1 square plus 2 square. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. Okay? Now tell me what is this? Forty plus 16. How much?
25.
30.
Hey, very bad in mathematics calculation.
30, 30.
30. Mind calculation you're not doing.
30.
Mind calculation. Okay. Now 5, 14, 30. This is a sequence. So pattern. There is everywhere you see there will be a pattern. But if the pattern is having a regular manner, like suppose 2 centimeter, the ladder, it's given many thing in your book. See, suppose if it is 2 centimeter, keep decreasing. So first ladder will be 2, suppose 2. Next is 4, 6. It is a regular pattern. This pattern only, okay, in the nature many things are in the pattern, like petals in the flower. You see windows, so many things. When it is in symmetric, when it is in pattern, it looks very beautiful. God's creation, many things will be in this pattern. Okay, so now what is arithmetic progression? You have sequence. That sequence, the second term minus first term should be same. See, for example, 3, 5, 7, 9. Here, what is the next number?
11.
11. 11.
Next number?
13.
30.
13.
Okay.
13.
Suppose I put 4. Wait. 4, 7, 10. What is my next number?
13.
13.
After that,
16. 16.
16.
Now mute yourself.
19.
Now see the difference is same, children. The difference is same. So whenever 7 minus 4 is 3, 10 minus. So this type of sequence is called arithmetic progression. The pattern is same. If the pattern, that means the common difference is same. We call it as common difference. So that is called arithmetic progression. And arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding fixed number to the preceding term, except the first term. So keep the fixed number is keep proceeding. This is only called arithmetic progression. AP we will call it as. What we will call it as? AP. Now,
Call it as AP.
I suppose 100. 100, 70, 40, 10. Now tell me what is the next number?
Minus 20.
Minus 20. Very good. See, because it's keep decreasing 30. So remember, same sequence is going. It keeps subtracting. So what is the next number?
Minus
Minus
50.
50.
Who said that answer? Very good. So minus 30. Everywhere we are doing minus 30 only. So minus 20 minus 30 is minus 50. Next number,
Minus 80.
Minus 80.
Minus 80.
minus 80. So because it is an arithmetic progression, AP,
Minus 80, ma'am.
Very good. Because it is arithmetic expression, we will be able to find out whichever the term we want. This will be useful in our life, practical mathematics. So all this practical mathematics, they may not delete. See, for example, your salary is, suppose you started with the salary of 20,000. Every month, 500, they are increasing. Okay. Then every month, 5,000. Then 12th month, you will know by using this arithmetic progression, if it is a common difference is same. By using this arithmetic progression and formula, we will know after 1 year how much we will be earning, so that we will think whether to continue with the job or what. If it is arithmetic progression, we will know. So like that, many things can be planned. Engineers can also plan how the progressions can go. What could be this for 25th term, 7th term, all this can be calculated. Okay. Each number is called term. Each number is called term. The first number is first term A, they will write A plus, second is A plus D, third is A plus 2D, fourth term is A plus 4D, 3D, 3D, A plus 3D. What is this D? Will common difference. So the term is A plus N minus 1 into D. Wait, suppose same thing I'll write 100, 70, 40, 10. It goes like this. What is the meaning? The first term is 100. Okay. When I add common difference means second term minus first term. This is called first term, A1. This is A2, second term. This is third term. So second term minus first term should be equal to third term minus second term. So 70 minus 100 is minus 30. So common difference is minus 30. So 100 plus minus 30, you will get 70. And then 2D. 2D means minus 60. So 100 plus minus 60 will become 40. So this is called a general formula for arithmetic progression. What is the general formula for arithmetic progression? A, comma, A plus D, comma, A plus 2D. It goes on like that till A plus N minus 1 into D. This is the general formula. A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay, keep these formulas and we can easily find out the answer. See, let us go to exercise 5.1. Someone read. Second main you read. First main we'll do later. Second main. Exercise 5.1. Page number?
Page number 99. 99.
99. Very good. Second main. Second main.
Write the first 4 terms. Write the first
One
4
of you.
terms of AP.
Wait. Two people are reading. One read.
Ma'am, I'll
Bhagya
read, ma'am.
Who's that?
Right first 4 terms of the
Afra.
P.
So let Bhagya read. Next question Afra can read. Okay, Bhagya read first.
Yes, ma'am. Right 4 terms of the term A and the common difference G are given as follows.
So they are telling it is
A.
AP. A is equal to 10. D is
10.
equal to 10.
Sure.
So first 4 terms, so 10, comma, you keep adding 10. 20, comma, 30, comma, 40. These are the 4 terms of AP. The first question is checking whether it is a AP or not. That first main. First main we can do it later. Now second main, first sum I have done. Okay. Now third sum Afra will read. Third.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Next main, ma'am.
For second main, first third sum. Second main, third sum.
A is equals to 4, D is equals to minus 3.
What you have to find? What you have to find? First 4 terms. First
4 terms.
4 terms you should find. Now tell Afra 4. Okay. Next number is A plus D. This is A. Next is A plus D. So 4 plus minus 3. What is 4 plus
1.
minus 3? Afra, Afra answered now. Some boys' voice I could hear.
Apratim.
Mithun.
What is the answer? Second term, Afra. muted herself. So 4 plus minus 3 must add a plus 2d. Keep adding this. 1 plus minus 3 you can add. 1 plus minus 3, what is the answer? Minus 2. Next, minus 2 plus minus 3?
-5.
Minus 5. These are the four terms of AP. Like this you should do. Okay, easy. Second main. Just A plus D, A plus 2D. Arithmetic progression is a sequence which has a common difference same. So for now you go to first main. First main, first sum. Now I don't want same people to be reading. Somebody else can read. Now many people are here. Naresh.
Ma'am,
Ryan,
Abhijit,
somebody else.
Abhijit is telling you have to let him in.
Abhijit is reading. Okay. I'll go back and I'll let him in. Where is he? Where, ma? It's not coming here, no. I don't know where is he. Now tell me first main. Somebody read, ma. First main, first sum, quickly. Okay, same person only read. A taxi fare after each kilometer. No. Others should mute. I can't hear.
Kilometer.
Wait. Check whether it is AP or not. Okay, question is check whether it is AP or not. AP means arithmetic progression. How to check? Okay. In which of the following is AP is given? Now the question. The taxi fare, when the fare is 15 rupees for the first kilometer. 15 rupees for the first kilometer. Then mute yourself, I'll only read. Eat for each additional kilometer. So keep adding 8. 15 plus 8 is 23. Okay, 23 rupees. Then again on 8, if you add, you get 31. Now check whether it is AP or not. The question is, in the following situation, does the list of numbers involved make AP? To check AP or not, second term minus first term should be equal to third term minus second term. How to check AP or not? That common difference should be same. That means this is first term, this is second term, this is third term. Okay, so 15 is first term, 23 is second term, 31 is third term. Second term minus first term should be equal to 23 minus 15 is also 8. Third term minus second term. 31 minus 23 is also 8. So the common difference is same. So you should write all this sentence and write since common difference is same, since D is same, the given progression is arithmetic progression. The given sequence is AP. Should write like this, okay, and end it. Like that you can try. Okay, second sum, first main. So second main is homework. That's all. Any doubt, children, to do first main and second main? First main we'll do it again. Second main we can take it as homework. Second main homework will take. First main can, first main can you try or I teach you, will see. If you don't understand, I'll teach you first main. Try first main also. First you do second main and then you go. First you write in your classwork arithmetic progression definition. You write what is arithmetic progression. Give on 5 examples of arithmetic progressions and then start the exercise. Okay, thank you children. This much you can stop. Then we will